Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Email allows you to communicate with people within your organization and around the world if you are connected to the internet. Email also provides a convenient way of sending information to people in different time zones, as there is no need to worry about the time difference. The person will receive your message when they next log in to their email account. In order to send an email, you must know the recipient's email name and address. When emailing people within your organization, this address may be the same as their network logon or user ID. You should check with the person responsible for implementing the internal email system as to what the appropriate address for inter-organization mailing would be. A typical internet email address may look something like info@someplace.com, for example. In this case, info is the account name, and @someplace.com is the email domain. Outlook allows you to send email to people on the company network or on the internet. This is achieved using the Inbox folder within your Outlook account. The inbox, as the name implies, is the computerized version of an in-tray on a traditional desk. All incoming messages are placed in this inbox folder by default. From there you can read, print, reply to, forward, and delete the messages as required. To open the inbox folder in your Outlook account, you can click the Mail button in the navigation bar. You can then select the inbox folder in the folder pane if needed. If there are any unread messages within your inbox folder, the total number of messages waiting to be read will appear next to the inbox within the folder pane. When you receive any type of message in Outlook, it will go into your inbox folder. In the list of messages displayed in the inbox folder, Outlook will display icons next to the messages to indicate the status of the message visually. All unread email in your inbox will appear bolded. Once you have read the email, it will then display using a normal font face. You can also view its status using the message status indicators, which let you know which email is read and unread. A thin blue line will appear at the left side of the message if it is unread. The line will then disappear once it has been read. To read the messages in your inbox folder, click the message to display it in the reading pane on the right side of the screen. Alternatively, double-click on the message to view its contents in a new window. The header of the message will tell you who sent the message to you, when it was sent, and the subject. After you have opened an email, it may be necessary for you to print it. Click the File tab in the ribbon at the top of the message window, and then select the Print command from the left side of the Backstage view. You can then click the Print button that appears to the right to print the message. When you have finished reading the message, you can simply click the X in the upper right corner of the Email Messages window to close the message window. To check for new messages on all of your email accounts that have been configured in Outlook, open the Inbox folder. In Outlook 2016, the Send Receive All Folders button has been removed from the Home tab of the ribbon and is now located on the Send Receive tab. Click the Send Receive tab, and then click the Send Receive All Folders button to check for new messages in all of your email accounts connected to Outlook. If using Outlook 2013, click the Send Receive All Folders button in the Send Receive button group on the Home tab in the ribbon. This same button also exists under the Send Receive tab in Outlook 2013. You can also click the Send Receive All Folders button in the Quick Access toolbar, or press the F9 key on your keyboard to check for new emails in all of your connected accounts. When you want to delete a message from the Inbox folder, click on the message that you want to delete. To delete multiple messages, click the first message to select it, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then click the other messages that you want to delete. When you have selected the messages to delete, click the Delete button that appears in the Delete button group on the Home tab in the ribbon. When you do this, you are not actually deleting the messages, you are moving the messages into the Deleted Items folder. You will then have to delete these messages permanently by dumping the contents of the Deleted Items folder at a later point in time.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.